Alright guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I want to show you how you can solve any issue related to confirming your identity when running your Facebook ads. So I don't know, some of you might have seen issues that will pop up on your Facebook ad account and will be telling you or asking you to confirm your identity. If you don't want this issue to happen to you, I'll be giving you this video to guide you towards creating and uploading your ID card even before Facebook prompts you to confirm your identity. It's going to be a complete guide, so I need to watch the video from the beginning till the end because I have a special gift for you at the end of the video. Without any further ado, let's go into the video. Thank you. Okay, so I want to quickly show you how you can upload your ID card on Facebook. It's very important. So what you need to do is come to web.facebook.com/hub or /ID rather /ID. Then it will add hub for you /ID/hub. That is the website where you get to upload your ID card. So you come here and click on get started. Once you click on get started, you would decide which of the options you want to make use of, but the one that will mostly allow you to add your ID card is the first one. So you select your country. Once you select your country, you would get to this particular page where you'll be able to upload the ID card. But there are specifications to the ID card. Let me show you the specification for the ID card to be uploaded. So for instance, now this is the ID card I want to upload, but it's not accepting. It's saying it should be 1500 to 1000 pixels. So I want to quickly see if I can do an editing for that. Okay, so let me add the image on my desktop. I think this is it. My system shouldn't go off now. Okay, desktop. Okay, I think this is the image. So I might have to use CorelDRAW to sort this out. So let me pause the video and quickly adjust the image. So here we go. Let me insert my CorelDRAW pixel. I need it to be okay. Hello, I hope you can hear me. All right, so I want to quickly make an adjustment to this ID card. The reason why I'm taking you through this process is so that you can, if you have CorelDRAW and you have an app, you can use your phone as well to resolve the size issue on your ID card or whatever it is. So I think I'm having issue because this one looks smaller or something. I don't know. Okay, so I want to adjust it to pixels. So the pixel instruction that was given from Facebook is that it should be between 15 to 1000 pixels, at least 15 to 1000 pixels. So by length it should be 15 and by width it should be 1000. So I'll create a box. Let's go create a box on CorelDRAW. Here we go. So I want to create a box, and the box will be remember I've set everything on pixels, so this one will be this place here be 15 and this one here will be 1000. Enter. So everything should be, my ID card should be in this box. So I'm expanding it, or let me just power clip it into it. Well, I'm teaching you CorelDRAW now, so you have to pay for that service. All right, so let me drag it so that it will fit in properly. So okay, think it's good to go. So I would exit this, then change the color of this outline to be colorless. Okay, so I would save this back, export it to my desktop, and save it as ID2. Click on export, and then click on OK. Put this on RGB and click on OK, and that should be it. So the next thing, I'll have to come here and upload it. Click on search for ID 2222222. Where is it? Here we go. And so you said so that it's accepted the ID card immediately. It's accepted the ID card immediately because the size is as recommended. So I click on submit. We are having technical issue. Please. Oh, so I didn't. My data is not on. So let me close my CorelDRAW. That was why I put up my data. Okay, so let me put on my hotspot so that I can connect with the internet. Okay, so I think I'm connected to the internet now. So I'll try uploading again. Upload ID 22222. Where are you? Okay, I think it's selected. And open and click on submit. Alright, thanks for submitting your information. We usually review IDs within 48 hours. We'll send. So this is the first thing you should do before you start up your account. This is the first thing you should do. It's very important you add your ID card before you start running ads. It's very important. It will save you a lot of issues. Yeah, that is, if that's okay, it will save you a lot of issues. So I was running an ad, and the ad was not allowing. The ad was not allowed because they want me to do sensational social issue, blah, blah, blah. So I will request a review because I've uploaded the ID card. We'll let you know once the decision is made. Okay, so we'll wait for this ad to finish running or to be set up completely. Then once the review is done, I've confirmed our identity and we're good to go. Can close this up and we're good to go. Everything is good with the ad. So I will wait for it to make some adjustments so that it will be published. I'll publish it again. What can I change? Okay, the date has been exceeded. The start date, let me push it forward to the start date forward. So this is why I'm recording my screen now, is so that at least in case you face a problem like this, you can know what to do. It will be easy for you to know what to do. So the ad has started running anyway, but I want to push it up since it's not active yet. I want to run it for 5 days. So today's 18 and it will need to run till the 23rd. So instead of 23rd, then it shall allow me to publish. Okay, now publish. Have my audience set and all, and publish. Okay, no problem. Close that. Then I'm good. So we'll wait. Once the issue is sorted on their end, then this ad will be up and running. So let me refresh and see if I don't have any other issue here. Okay, there seems to be no issue here. So wait for the whole thing to be sorted. All right. So thank you very much for following me through this journey. So make sure you you watch through the other part of the videos so that I can have better understanding of those things that I'll keep updating the video list, so you keep checking anytime you want to. All right, thank you.